Julie and I are going to do an unboxing, and you're the one that actually got this, and this was your idea. So what do we get here? What is this?
Halloween Shirt Company did mystery boxes. 3 different tiers, 3 different prices, and they said no 2 boxes will be the same. So I was like, all right, well, I asked Steve if he wanted to do it. He said sure. So here we are.
Awesome. So we don't know which one. We ordered 2, and 2 are not supposed to be the same. So we're about to find out.
Well,
and we don't know whose is which, because mine should be my size shirts, hers should be her size shirts, and it's not marked.
Yeah, and another issue is I ordered a separate shirt for me with this order, and the shirt isn't here. I don't know if they put it inside the mystery box.
We think they might have did that to
Hopefully
save on
they
shipping.
didn't.
We're gonna find out.
But we're finding out. So this level, I think, let me read it.
I think, yeah, this one was this a $50 or $75?
$75.
$75.
You're supposed to get, hold on.
I want to open it.
I know. Well, you can open them. Just
We waited.
You can cut it, just don't open it.
We've been waiting to open this.
So it's supposed to be an exclusive t-shirt only for the boxes, the mystery boxes, a spooky candle, and a ton of items sourced from our partners. And it said no 2 boxes are the same. So we're about to test that.
All right, I'll just
And hopefully we find my missing shirt. Because they've been sitting here for a while, but we were busy with the Krampus bazaar.
Which was awesome.
So I really need to open it and make sure my other shirt's here.
I wish I had a Krampus hat to show you guys, because they've been selling like crazy. I did add them to my Etsy shop. Steve's Haunted Prop Etsy shop. Go check out the Krampus hats.
Oh, mine's not cut all the way.
You didn't get it all? There we go. All right, here we go. Ooh, I didn't cut mine all either.
No, these boxes are a little
No,
weird.
a little janky. It's like how I box stuff. Like, with not the right size box, like just cramming it in. Okay,
They
well,
have the black and orange.
that's fun. That's fun.
Which I like this stuff.
That's fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna save this for packing in other packages.
Okay.
Well, that's a lot. That's a lot of.
That's good though.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Everybody likes fun black and orange.
assuming
Was
this
this
is,
raffia or just
yeah, I
we
guess.
call it, or confetti?
Assume this is the candle.
Yeah.
Right.
I think so.
I don't know if they're the same, but I want to look for the shirt because I want to see if it's mine or yours. I want to look for the size. I think I have yours because it seems like an extra amount of materials. Yes, I have yours.
All right. So you want to trade?
Yeah.
Let's switch.
Ooh. There you go. Yours is heavier than mine.
Well, it's bigger.
No,
Bigger.
but the box in general was heavier.
I already cut your candle tape.
Oh, so there is 2 t-shirts in here. So they put my extra shirt order inside my mystery box, which somehow I just feel like, right? They should have kept that separate. Because what if I was giving them to separate people and not just ordering for myself?
Right.
So,
Yeah.
anyhow,
Yeah. A little weird.
you opening your candle first?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I already cut your tape.
Oh, thank you. So let's see. We got separate ones or the same. Yeah, look. You don't even know what yours looks like.
Oh, I generally kind of saw what it looked like.
Autumn Night scented soy candle.
Poison apple cider scented soy
I don't
candle.
know if they can see that good. Let's see if they smell like it. That's okay.
Smell-o-vision.
Uh,
Smells good.
let me smell.
I like it. I like this one.
Might like mine better.
That smells like clean and fresh. This is like
Okay.
more like smells
Oh,
more
man.
like smells
That
more
smells
like
like spices in it.
smells like a candy apple more than it does a
Yeah, I like that one though. That's good
poison
for fall.
apple.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
So far they are different.
All right.
So let's see what our, this is my shirt I ordered. Let me just show my shirt I ordered. This is not the mystery box exclusive shirt. This is the one I just ordered for myself because I wanted it. The Halloween tree.
Oh yeah, that one's cool.
Yeah. Okay, now this is the mystery box exclusive.
I like mine.
Well, I think they should be the same.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's trick or treaters.
Yeah.
See if I can get this up close. 2 trick or treaters at the door, trick or treating. Pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's a cool shirt.
All right, very nice.
Yep.
Okay, on to the
Exclusive items from
Ton of
many
exclusive
partners.
items. No two should be the same.
Well, I'm sure we'll get some of these things the same.
I know. Oh, so my first thing is this soap, Poison Apple Vegan Soap, and it's Wednesday Addams, the older Wednesday Addams, not the new Netflix series.
I got
Hold on. Oh, you got soap too? Okay, tell them your soap.
I got 6 soaps, crackling firewood, and it's Freddy Krueger.
So these are actually, I'll give them to him. I like
So
this.
it's cool because it's crackling firewood. Hell, get it? Burning Freddy Krueger. Ah, that's so cool. I'm gonna wash my
What?
stuff with Freddy Krueger's face.
I thought you were about to say balls.
Well, yeah. I mean,
Okay. So then I got,
probably.
what's this? Oh, what is this?
There's lots of this stuff in there. We
I'm a
should-
foolish mortal. Is that a pop socket or a magnet? What is that?
It's a pop socket. What? Yeah, it's a pop socket.
I guess so. You got one too.
Not a pop socket.
What'd you get? Well, it's the same thing.
It's Foolish Mortals. She
Yeah,
got
see
a
that?
Foolish Mortals pop socket.
Oh, it doesn't say that
Mine,
on it, but it doesn't say that on there. It says, "Do not enter."
yeah, but you can tell it has a pop socket on the back,
Yeah,
or it's just sticky.
But it doesn't say I'm a foolish mortal on it. I'm reading that. What do you have from that company?
What does mine say? What does that
Read
say? I can't tell what that says. The print's not the best on that because it's like
Yeah,
resin.
Something, no entry.
I should know what it says by just looking at it because it's Haunted Mansion, but
I can't tell.
it's like a plaque.
And it's a little dark in
It's
here.
like a plaque from the Haunted Mansion. I know this lighting. I should probably change this lighting to white.
Oh, and maybe we can see it a little bit better, everything.
Nope, that's too shiny. Too shiny.
This would have been so good for the Krampus Bazaar. Have you been naughty or nice?
Oh yeah.
Look,
Oh, that's
and
cool.
Santa has a ball gag.
Oh, dude, that's cool. That's really
That's
neat.
pretty cool.
I got
Did
the
you
same
get-
one.
Oh, okay.
I got one too.
I like the Krampus pin.
See if I can get a little closer here.
So far, that's the only thing we have the same of.
Yeah, so far.
Now, I think I don't know if you'll like this or I like this. Oh, so is this is a magnet, and it's,
I got one.
this?
I got one too. Metal. It's like a metal. I really like mine.
What is yours?
I
Mine's
like yours
trick-or-treaters.
Mine is. It's really cool.
Oh, that you have a
Snowman.
shirt.
Really cool snowman.
You have a shirt
Similar to this, but
similar
not the
to
same.
that
Yeah.
that Ava has now.
Yeah, this is cool. I like,
From Haunt Shirts.
and it's a magnet too.
Isn't it from Haunt Shirts? Mm-hmm. Think so. So this looks to be maybe a pin and a sticker, and I'm not quite sure. Do you have something similar
I don't
to
have
this?
a pin in mine. I don't have anything with a pin in it. I have stickers and
Mine
stuff.
looks like a lapel pin of Casper the Ghost. It's upside down. Let me see if I can turn it around real fast for you guys. And a couple of stickers, maybe?
Yeah, I got some really cool stickers right here. I got a Bad Love Masquerade stickers. Set number 1. It's a vampire, a clown, and a devil. I'd have to open it to show you all three, but there's the devil. It's vintage looking, which is super cool. See 'em?
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I got a patch. Did you get a patch?
Man, get a patch.
I got a patch of I don't know. Oh, it's Frankenstein, but I can't now. No, now showing Frankenstein. He's going to the movie theater.
Cool. And then no patch for me, but I got a magnet. It's like a black
maybe
cat,
Oh, okay.
a winking black cat. He's pretty cool.
You got this shirt not too long ago.
Oh, I did. I did. I have the shirt of this.
That.
Yep.
And then
Oh man,
I got that little
you
Krampus
got
one.
all Krampus stuff. I didn't get any Krampus except I got the Naughty or Nice Krampus thing.
Got these stickers.
Yeah, I got these stickers.
This one.
These stickers are awesome. I got this big brain eyeball,
Oh look, I got the pumpkin.
and then look at this one.
Oh,
I
it's
got a
upside
pumpkin
down.
bat.
Is it upside down or am I
No.
just looking at it?
No, it's
Oh yeah, it's right side.
yeah. Pumpkin riding on a bat.
And then this
That
one
one's cool.
is that I can't tell because of the lighting.
It's a
but there's a
ghost.
ghost, but what's this?
It's a tombstone. It's putting a wreath on a tombstone.
That's pretty cool too.
That is neat. I like this.
Quite a bit of nice stickers.
Yeah.
That's all you got? Well, I know you got something else.
Mm-hmm.
So then
I don't know what this is.
I got this.
just
Is that
prints.
print?
Big prints that you can
Horror
frame, I
mail?
guess.
It looks. So
It's
this
like-
is the
it's
print.
prints that you could frame, I think.
Yeah, but on the back, it looks like a really cool old timey catalog where people used to order old Halloween stuff out of. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I got sort of the same, just two different ones though. Monster mail, art print, and a trick or treat ghost pumpkin. Pretty cool. I like that too. I like that.
Well, that's neat.
That's everything.
That's
Yeah,
everything.
it's a lot of stuff.
Mhm.
Pretty cool.
Mhm.
Yeah, be
Yeah,
fun to
just to have
frame.
fun with.
Be fun to frame these, and these would be things we could hang up. You know, in
Oh
October.
yeah, I like that.
I mean, obviously we could hang this stuff up year round for us, but
In the office.
Yep.
So
so pretty cool. That's our
Halloween shirt company.
Halloween shirt company mystery boxes.
Yep.
So pretty cool. They only did a limited amount too.
Think-
Remember?
Yeah, I think it was something like 100, and I'm not sure if
100
it was
boxes.
100 per tier because they had 3 tiers. That I don't know,
Mhm.
but I think this tier is sold out. I'm not sure about the others.
Yeah. Just to double check. Let me see.
Well, let me say it was sold out in my size. I don't know if other sizes are available.
Okay. Yeah. So they are. They're just prints that you can frame.
Cool.
Pretty neat. All right. So next time, if you have a chance, get you one of these. It's pretty fun. A lot of fun, cool stuff.
Yeah.
If you love Halloween, I mean, it's all Halloween. So
Yeah.
pretty awesome. All right, guys. Thanks. Get your haunt on.
Bye.
Bye.